I started doing wedding photography because I genuinely just fell in love with weddings. And it always was my dream just to take photos at weddings. And when I was able to, it was like everything I wanted and more. Hi, my name is Heather Nelson, and my business is Heather Emma Photography. And I am an editorial wedding photographer with more of a natural style. When it comes to uploading photos and sharing them with clients, the biggest thing for me is their accessibility and their ability to download and favorite the ones that they like, and also my ability to just upload them very easily. Zenfolio has helped me so much with this because it separates and organizes the photos into different categories, whether or not it be engagement, wedding photos, and it makes it so easy for me to just choose the category, and I know exactly where it is, how to upload it, and also to find it later on whenever I want to find a photo that a client needs or I just want to share it on my social media. Organization is one of the hardest things, I'd say, with photography, because with 4,000 photos per shoot and having like the ones you select, the ones that are just full raw, and the ones that are edited, you need to have a good way of organizing and also the way you deliver them. I'm around the age of people getting married, so it's always exciting to make friends and then also be able to take photos of them and eventually, hopefully, take their wedding photos. So that's kind of my approach at the moment, make friends and take photos because it's fun. My friends, they were amazing to photograph, and I love photographing them, especially just because when I'm not photographing, they're giving each other sweet kisses, and those are the moments that I love to photograph. It shows in the picture. Like when you see someone happy, you see actually how happy they are. When you're giving someone a real kiss, you can see how like in love they are, and that's what makes the best photo. I like really in love clients. I just kind of want a couple to feel relaxed and being their true selves and just enjoying the day and enjoying that moment, and those photos always come out the better ones. Zenfolio has definitely helped my business because it's growing with me. If I have a small amount of galleries I'm delivering, that's great. If I have a large amount, whether or not it's a lot of photos or multiple categories, it's just varying to me, and it allows me to expand my business. And I'd recommend it to other photographers because of its ability to have all the different types of things you need for a photography business all in one spot. And that's just made everything so much easier for me as a business owner.